Hey guys, welcome to another video here on the Blinded by Beauty channel. We are in Kiki's kitchen today. That's me, I'm Kiki, and this is my kitchen. Hey, welcome. How you doing? Today what we're gonna be making is whipped shea butter. I use it for my hair, like a sealant for my hair. A sealant is what you use after you moisturize your hair, which is like after you put water or your leave-in conditioner, you know, like water-based, and you put your oils and everything. Then you want to seal all of that moisture in and lock it in so you can basically keep your hair moisturized for like at least a week or a week and a half, right? Without having to do it every day. Alright, so that's what I'm going to be showing you how to make today. If you want to see how I make this shea butter, like really fluffy and really soft, really nice to put in your hair, or you can actually use it on your skin, then keep on watching. So what I have here is my African shea butter, 100% natural. Okay, use the natural one. It's the best one for your hair, your skin, whatever you're gonna use it for. This is 16 ounces of shea butter, and I have the yellow one. You put it in the bowl. And then what I'm gonna do is get some coconut oil. I don't really like to use a lot of coconut oil in my stuff, you know, just because coconut oil makes my hair flaky. So I'm just gonna get like, sometimes other people will use like a half a cup of coconut oil, or they'll just match, you know, 1-to-1 for the ratio of the shea butter to coconut oil. But me, I'll just put nothing more than a tablespoon. And then we're gonna be melting this. We're gonna be I'm gonna create like a double boiler. So basically I'm gonna have like a pot on the stove with some hot water in there, and then just put this on top, and then, you know, it's gonna melt it in the bowl, just to not let it have like direct contact with the heat, just so it doesn't burn or anything like that. So the shea butter has already started to melt, and it didn't even take a minute for it to start melting. It's pretty quick. I don't think this process is gonna take any more than 5 minutes for it to melt. And then once it's done, then we'll continue. So we have the shea butter all melted. I'm gonna add in this bowl I have 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of castor oil, and then about a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. This castor oil, my grandmother made it for me when she was coming up from Jamaica. Thank you, Grandma. All right, so next step, what we're gonna do is leave this in the fridge to cool for about 30 minutes or so, and then we're gonna whip it. Whip it real good. Whip it real good. Okay. It's been about 30 to 40 minutes, and take it out of the fridge, and I'm gonna transfer it to my stand mixer. Okay, great. It is like, it's solidified a little bit. So now I'm just going to transfer it to my stand mixer. It looks like June Plum Jam. I should have just taken this out when it was in the liquid state and put it in this, and then put this container in the fridge with it, but never thought about it. Whipping, it only took, I would say, about 5 minutes for it to be whipped up, and this is the consistency of it. It's a little bit too bright, but this is the consistency of it. It's like really thick, looks like ice cream. And that's exactly what you want. I'm just gonna transfer this to my container that I'm gonna be storing it in. If you like this video, please, like it, press the like button, destroy that like button. And please subscribe, and if you have any feedback or you have any requests on any videos that you want to see, please just leave it in the comments, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.